Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to create cool Instagram stories with Canva. Go to canva.com. Oh my god, canva.com, and search here Instagram post. You'll find a lot of pre-made template here. Just click one of them, which one you like most, or maybe you can go for the custom one. Then go to creative design, then select on custom size. So let me just find the Instagram size. I think 1:1, so let's go for 1080p, right? 1080 pixel, and select create new design. And okay, you can select design from here, but I will add something else. Go to the elements. Let's say we'll post a good morning story. Okay, so search here good morning, NING, good morning, and we'll go for videos. Okay, let me select this one and resize it according to your needs, not your needs, your video needs. Okay, so this is good, and now we will add text on it, and you can select text from here. Let me choose one. Which one should I go for? Okay, let me just click here and write here good morning, but I think I'm good. Okay. And then reduce the size of the text. I think we should go for 18. Oh my god, too small. 96. Yes, this is good. So that's it, and now we will add some animation on it. You can use this one, and for morning we will use yeah, this one. So and you can okay, just let me just play it how it's look like. Good morning. Okay, and that's it. We'll use this video, and let me just reduce the duration from here to here. Oh, okay, that's it, from 3 seconds. Okay, and then click on done. So now click on download, then go for the download, select MP4. Okay, yeah, if you want to create custom animation, you can go with create an animation here. Just select the text. Okay, let me just add one more thing. Is bird, right? Birds. Click here and go for graphics. Can you right, this is good. So we'll add animation. No, I think that's enough, but if it is but why? Okay, this is good. This is good, right? We'll add this as good morning. So if you want to use custom animation, then go to animation and select on create an animation, then just drag it like this. Good morning. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, it's animated. So thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe the channel for more tech tips. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.